Hey Beavs, and welcome back to StyledByBeaver 101. Today's video is going to be on this Shego costume Halloween inspired makeup tutorial. It's not really a costume, it's mostly just the makeup, to be honest. I could not find a top that was black and green to save me. My daughter. I couldn't find a top that was black and green to save me, so I just put on a black top. All you really need is a nice black straight wig with the center part, a middle part, sorry, a side part, sorry, and some black lipstick, a little bit of green eyeshadow, and you've got this. But you can honestly make this an even more personal or unique look by adding more dimensions. I just did what I could with what I have and what I was comfortable with, and I actually love what I came out with. I think it came out so bomb. I'm not going as the Shego, but if I was, I would definitely do this look again. I may just do it again just to be, different. I'd probably do a full black lip. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing this look, then definitely stay tuned. Okay, so the first palette I'm going to be going into is my Subculture Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And if you hear any noise, my daughter is playing and she has her TV show going. But the first shade I'm going to go into is the shade Destiny, and I'm going to use like this army green, and I'm going to use it as my transition color for this look. And if you don't like how it looks, guys, I'm sorry. I did my best. In my opinion, I feel like I did a really good job. So I'm just going to go in my crease and be very gentle and light. You can use a similar palette. I know a lot of people were complaining about the fallout and the blending of the Subculture Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills last year when it came out. I do experience some issues with it, but if you work with it very lightly and you're careful, you should be okay. Okay, so I'm going to go in with Dawn, and I'm going to apply that just on top of that color, which was Destiny, just to kind of soften it out a bit. Mostly closer up to my eyebrow area. You can apply as little or as much as you want. It's really up to you. The next thing I'm going to do is go in with this like shader brush, and I'm going into the shade Axes, I believe it's called. And I'm going to put that on the outer portion of my eye. I'm just going to dab it. Like, look at the fallout, you guys. It's pretty intense, so definitely have to tap off the excess, and I'm just going to blend it on the outer part of my eyes. Blend it upward into my crease and bring it in as probably like about this much into my eye. You just keep going back in, blending, try to keep that line there sharp. You can also add tape or setting powder if you're not like good with keeping a decent sharp line, or you can go back in later with concealer. So we're going to put our Subculture palette down for a second, and I'm going in now with the My Little Pony the movie palette. This is by Pure Cosmetics, filled with lots of bright colors. We're going to be using these two shades. The first shade we're going to use is called Loyalty. It's just like this true emerald shimmery green, and I'm just going to take that on a flat shader brush. So one side we're going to use the emerald green, and we're going to use that to basically apply right to the center of our eyes, and that's going to help marry the next green we're putting on together instead of it being so harsh. And it's also going to add dimension to the eyes. And now I'm going to go in with, this is called Princess Skystar. It's like this minty green. It's really pretty. You could wet your brush, but I didn't. I'm just going to pack it on the inner part of my eye and kind of sharpen it when I get closer to my crease area. And this is an inspired look, you guys. I'm not trying to look exactly like Shego. I'm just doing what I can with what I have. If you have more, if you want to do the whole green, light mint green skin, that would be so awesome. I couldn't find any green top to wear, so I'm just wearing a black top, which I hope will suffice for me. I'm going back in with Axes just to kind of go over that dark shimmery Loyalty green that we applied from the previous palette. And now when you kind of go like this, you see the dimensions. I think we look pretty good. I'm really proud of myself. Like, I'm super proud of myself. Okay, so I'm going to line my eyes with the Deck of Scarlet long lasting liquid eyeliner in the shade Throwback Black. This is from the Raven Elise collaboration. And I'm just going to do a simple line, nothing like serious or anything like that. And I like never do my liner on camera because I suck. And I have to be like all up in the mirror. I don't wear contacts. I wear glasses because I'm so blind. I just never got around to wearing contacts, but I'm thinking about it for 2019. Contacts might be the new wave. Going with mascara. The lashes I'm using today are the Your Lash Bar lashes. This is in the shade Mojito. And I'm using the Your Lash Bar tweezers as well, the rose gold. There's the logo if you can see it. But like these are kind of old now. I have to get new ones. They're like crusty as hell. But yeah, I'm gonna apply my lashes. Okay, so now to finish the eyes, I'm gonna line my eyes first with the Burt's Bees Nourishing Eyeliner in Soft Black. Just looks like this. Regular pencil liner. And I'm lining my lower lash line. So now I'm going to go back in with the Subculture palette, and I'm going to use the shades Destiny first to kind of blow out my lower lash line. And now I'm going to go back in with Axes, and I'm just going to kind of connect the smoky from up here with my lower lash line. So I'm not bringing it in all the way to my entire lower lash line. So now I'm going to go in with that same mascara on my lower lash line. Okay, so you could also do something which is really cool, is use Axes from Subculture and do a little bit of contouring on your face to add more green, especially if you're doing the whole minty skin look. Or if you're just using your regular skin and you want to like give dimension, or you can even go under your eye with a really bright highlight. That would really make your, you know, your the Shego character really pop. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the shade Princess Skystar from the My Little Pony palette, and I'm going to use that as my highlighter. So basically, if you were going to contour first, you contour, then apply your fixing spray. I'm going to apply my fixing spray now, and then I'm going to go on to lips. The first thing I'm going to do is go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to basically conceal out my lower lip. Something I've never done before. I used to hate when girls did their foundation and they got concealer or foundation on their lips and they didn't wipe it off. They like left it. Like, I know a lot of white girls do that, where they leave it because they want to mute out the color of their lip, but it used to creep me the hell out. Just gonna... So I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC46 and a dry sponge. And I'm just going to set that concealer. And I'm going to do my highlight now. I'm just taking a fluffy brush. Ooh, girl. Okay. I need a powder brush. Just trying to... Y'all? Y'all. I'm pretty sure Rihanna's super cool highlighters, she has a highlighter that goes with this, and I'm sure Anastasia Beverly Hills has a green highlighter as well, if it's not like limited edition that you could use, but I'm just using what I have for now. This is actually not bad. It looks nice. It could also be, I'm using a really fluffy brush so that it dispenses it nicely. It doesn't keep it too concentrated. I'm kind of blending it out. Green vibes. So now I'm going to go in with the same eyeliner I use on my bottom lash line to line my lips. If you have the Rihanna Stunna lip paint in, I believe it's Uninvited. If I'm incorrect, I'll put the name on the screen. She just came out with it. It's a liquid lipstick in black. I believe Anastasia Beverly Hills has one in black as well. Then you can use that instead. But I have like no black lipstick. I used to have black lipstick all the time because I used to be obsessed with wearing it, but I have none. So a black lip liner or like a gel eyeliner would do just as well. And it's black, so you want to be very careful. Okay, so I decided to switch over to the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion. Just because this one is a bit more on the drier side. I need something more creamy because it's my lips. And I want it to be somewhat matte for right now. So I'm just going to fill in. I lined with the Burt's Bees one. And I'm going to fill in with this one. So much better. Like, it just glides on. So I feel like my bottom lip looks ridiculous. Like it's blending too much into my skin. So I'm going to use a lip pencil. Sit back, okay? I'm going to use a Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Pencil in the shade 120 Rich Chocolate. And I'm just going to add a little bit of dimension to my bottom lip. That's better. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think I did a really good job. This is my daughter, my youngest. I think I did a really good job. Super proud of myself. She said hi. Super proud of myself. The look was fairly easy. Like, didn't take much work. I love the highlighting of the green with the green. It's really nice for like spooky or like costumey looks, but I honestly feel like I'd wear this green highlighter on a regular day basis. Like, if I was to actually buy a green highlighter. Like, I have the purple highlighter from Rihanna. I haven't actually experimented with it yet, but now I feel like I want to do another random Halloween look just to try to use it. My only issue is because it's not a matte liquid lipstick, it does get on your bottom rim, the liner, because I use eyeliner. That's my only issue, but for the most part, I love it. I just put on my black wig. It's a straight wig. This hair is from Ali Pearl. It's their Brazilian straight. Freaking love it. I've had it since November 20th, about 2017. So yeah, bomb hair. Just made into a wig. But yeah, this is what I look like, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys try it. You know, tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is StyledByBeaver. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. 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 Good job.